Rotacaps are capsules of powdered medication which are placed in a rotaheler. And these are available on different names like Combivir, Tiovir, Ventacort in the market. Rotacaps are used in patients with asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD) to relieve symptoms such as coughing, wheezing, breathing difficulty, chest tightness. Now we will show you how to use rotacaps in a rotaheler. So a rotaheler is a plastic inhalation device which is breath activated. This means when you inhale, the rotaheler releases medication from the rotacap. When inhaled correctly, the medication has a better chance to reach the small airways. Now open the device and remove the cover from it. A revolizer is a dry powder inhaler which is very easy to use. Open the revolizer completely. In the second step, take one rotacap from the blister, but remember rotacap have one colored part and one transparent part, so insert the rotacap transparent part into the hole of the revolizer. Transparent part and close the revolizer completely. This will make a hole in a rotacap. Now breathe out and put the mouthpiece between your teeth and hold it tight with your lips. Now take a long deep breath through your mouth. Then take the revolizer out of your mouth, but keep your mouth close. Hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly breath out. If any powder is left in the device, inhale it again.